This is my dream. I want everyone on board. And even after getting that team of experts, we must be able to sell our vision. We must be able to sell this dream to the people. We must be ready to work en harmonie avec la communauté internationale so we can achieve that dream. Because it's not going to be easy. It's not going to be easy. Most of the decisions we will have to take will be unpopular. And for that, we must have a leader who inspires confidence. Somebody who can take the people where they ought to go. Although that might not be the place they want to go. This is real leadership, being able to take the people where they ought to go. We are good bâton, ça good bâton. We need somebody with a vision. Now, looking at the 19 candidates, that's why I'm saying it's about the men. The way to decide this year who you're going to select is not to just choose Michel Martelly because you know him, because you like his music. We need to sit down, look at these 19 candidates and study their profile and make the right choice. We are where we are today because we've made the wrong choices. We complain every day, and yet we are responsible. C'est le problème. I've been meeting with the international community, and they are kind of amazed by what I have to say, because nobody talks about our problems. We have some problems that we really need to fix too. It's not just about money. Haiti does not have a money problem. The problem is us. Basic values who regulate the society are being stepped over. Whether you talk about love, sharing, compassion, civism, patriotism, notions who regulate a society are being stepped over. We have that culture of destroying things. We overthrow Duvalier, we destroy his house while people are sleeping in the streets. We don't want our army anymore. We dismantle the army. And we order an army from overseas. We're paying these guys while our jeunes Haitians are sitting down looking. I think we have lost it. We need to wake up and smell the coffee. The international community will give us $9 billion. And Michel Martelly, as the president, comes around and rebuilds the whole, let's say, Grand Rue with nice buildings, nice glasses everywhere. Next election, Michel does not pass, the people tear up everything. And we need 9 more billions. think we really have lost it. In order for a Haitian to work sugar cane right now, we must travel to Santo Domingo to do it. We don't do it at home anymore. Back in the past, Haiti used to live on this denrées. Back in the days, on exportait le café, le cacao, la bauxite, le sucre, la banane. Maintenant, c'est notre misère qu'on exploite. Notre misère est devenue une denrée rentable. Et puis on exploite, on exporte notre misère. Je dis tout simplement que le vrai problème, c'est nous-mêmes. Nous besoin d'un monde qui vraiment, someone has the determination to do it. Someone who cares about Haiti. Someone who has always been there, whether it was a time of floodings, hurricanes, earthquake. Someone who's not afraid to take this fight, because it's going to be a fight. The system that is there right now is not there by chance or mistake. It's a few people's idea, and they are getting rich of it. So we need somebody who's not afraid, somebody who's not scared, someone who is willing to fight the fight. Yes. We need someone who is honest, someone who's willing to do everything for Haiti, someone who's not thinking about getting rich. Because we must eradicate corruption. People are asking me, how are you going to do that? Well, corruption is everywhere. But in Haiti, corruption rules. That we have to change. And it's much easier than you think. There is this proverbe français qui dit que le bureau prend l'image du maître. Ça veut dire que le maître arrive chaque matin au bureau à 11h pour jouer solitaire sur son computer. Je fais des verres. Automatiquement, les employés arrivent à 10h30 parce qu'ils savent que le patron arrive à 11h. Aussi simple que ça. Maintenant, le patron ne vole pas. Ceux qui sont tout près savent déjà que s'ils volent, le patron sera très fâché. Il ne sera pas content. Aussi simple que ça. Et puis, décantation à fait automatiquement. Pour ceux qui oseraient défier le président, on va laisser le système judiciaire et la police faire leur travail. On va renforcer les lois. Nous allons faire toute bagarre en transparence. Si on budget pour un travail fait, il faut qu'à son site internet pour tout le monde.
Bravo.
Comme je n'ai pas l'intention d'être très long, je vais vous donner des bullet points de ce qu'on pense faire au pays. Premièrement, parce que je cours sous la bannière sous la plateforme Réponse Paysan, on parle d'une grande relance agricole. D'ailleurs, ça va aider dans plusieurs facettes. En remettant le paysan au travail, une classe qui représente 60% de la population, premièrement, on crée une richesse à travers cette classe, la paysannerie. On arrête du même pour l'exode qui a fait à Port-au-Prince, parce que pour que ça Port-au-Prince ne peuplé, c'est quand le paysan il laisse sa terre, il n'a plus rien à faire, sur un très Port-au-Prince, là, cherche un travail, une factory, que le bon travail là, que le pas bon travail là, il trouve mon petit carré dans une zone bidonville, et puis il become the problem.